friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today we're gonna do a little first impressions and tutorial using the Voss Rainbow palette. I'm so excited to have this. I saw this on one of the little end displays in Sephora just randomly with a bunch of other glittery products, and I swatched it and it was so beautiful, but it was sold out, and I've been in Sephora many times over the last few months and it was always sold out. And then one of my lovely subscribers actually told me that it was back in stock online at Sephora, so I placed an order literally that second, and I got it literally the day that we were about to leave for our DC trip, so I wasn't gonna film with it right then because I couldn't, and I'm home now. Today's my first day back, so here we are. But anyways, yes, I have swatched this in Sephora, and even my own copy of it, I did swatch it. You can kind of see my fingerprints because I was taking a cute swatch picture for the Instagram. I have not used this on my eyes, and I'm really excited to. I love color, I love sparkle, and I haven't really heard anybody talk about this, like, at all. I don't know why, because it's so cute, but we're gonna dive into it and see what it's all about. I have one other Violet Voss palette. It is the hashtag palette. I've used it a couple times on my channel. Hopefully the formula is the same because I really like that one. And let's just get started. Let's just talk about the packaging first. I think the packaging is adorable. I love the rainbow water droplet kind of look. The mirror is really big and nice, and then all the shadows are here. They are all shimmers, they are all colorful, and I'm really excited to use it. If you haven't seen one of my first impressions Playdate videos before, I just take a palette, I've never used it before, and I create a look on the spot. I have no clue what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna do it together. I'll give you my thoughts and opinions as we go, and then at the end of the video I'll give you my final thoughts and kind of let you know if I think this palette's worth it or not. I looked it up online, and this palette is limited edition, which makes me really happy that it went back in stock because I didn't even know that it was limited edition. So I don't know if it will go back in stock once this is out of stock. It looks like it is sold on Violet Voss's website, Sephora.com, and BeautyBay.com. On Google right this second as I'm speaking right now, it is sold out on Violet Voss's website, but it is still in stock on Beauty Bay and Sephora. This retails for $30. You get 10 shadows, so that comes down to $3 an eyeshadow. Each shadow is 3.2 grams of product. You do get a decent amount of product. I mean, you can see how large these shadows are. Holding them up to like standard single shadows, they are fairly large. I honestly think this is a really good deal. Violet Voss's products are cruelty-free. Let's just move on. I'm really excited to dive in. So I went ahead and just primed my eyes with some Colourpop No Filter concealer, and I did not set it with powder because I don't do that anymore. And I'm just gonna go in with Peach Smoothie from Makeup Geek just to lay that down as a transition shade because there are no mattes or transition shades in the palette, which I do know for some people that would be annoying, but for me I really don't mind it because I have so many palettes, I have so many eyeshadows, it's not a big deal just to open up another palette and use a transition shade from that. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Flamingo, and I'm gonna kind of lay that down in this outer third of the eye. And I'm just using like the edges of this brush just to kind of blend it into Peach Smoothie. Taking a slightly smaller brush, I'm going to take Buttercup. And I'm going to pop this on the inner third of the eye. And again, just kind of taking the edges of that brush to blend out the edges of that shadow. I'm taking it pretty far into my inner corner area. I'm going to go ahead and take Peach now, and I'm just going to use the other side of that brush that I used Flamingo. And I'm going to pop that right in the center, right in between the pink and the yellow. I'm just going to use my finger and re-intensify all of those shades directly on the lid. Now I'm just going to take that first brush with the Peach Smoothie transition shade, and I'm just going to softly blend the edges. Now for the other eye, I'm going to take Violet right here. I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the other eye, but I'm just going to use different colors to create a cute little rainbow, because why not? And now for the inner portion, I'm going to take Seaform and laying that down the same way that I laid down the yellow shade on the other eye. This green is so lovely. So far I think the green's my favorite shade in the palette. And then again, flipping over that brush that I used the purple, I'm going to take Fiji. And that is going to go right in the center. And then again, I'm going to pick up all those shades with my finger and just re-intensify them directly on the lid. Taking that brush with Peach Smoothie, I'm just going to blend it out. I'm not picking up any additional product. I'm just using any leftover just to help blend it. Look how freaking cute. I love it. Looking at it again though, I think I want to try to re-intensify Flamingo just a little bit more. It seems lackluster in comparison to this eye. For the lower lash line, I just have a variety of pencil brushes. It doesn't really matter what you use. And I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did on the upper lid on the lower lid, but I'm gonna flip it. So on this side, it's gonna go purple, blue, green, and this side it's gonna go pink, peach, yellow, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's just speed through this. I think that's super cute. I'm gonna pop Pearl in my inner corners, and I think I'm also gonna highlight my face with it, so stay tuned. Cute. I like that. That had such a bright, pretty glow. It's not as exciting of a highlight as I thought it was gonna be. That's okay, because this isn't meant to be a face highlight. So in one of Raw Beauty Christie's recent tutorials, she used concealer to draw a wing, and it was super cute, like that nice negative space kind of idea. So I think I want to try that with this look. I think that'll be really cute. I'm just trying to feather this concealer out into my skin so that it just flows. Now that that concealer is laid down, I'm just gonna take the lightest setting powder from the Kat Von D Shade+Light palette and just overlay it with that so that the concealer doesn't get creasy and gross. So I'm just gonna put on some mascara and lashes and lipstick and come back to regroup with you and tell you my thoughts. So this is the full look. I hope you like it. I'm really happy with it. I think the colors are super vibrant. They are nice and shimmery. They blended really nice. I don't really have any complaints. The only complaint that I have, and it's not that big of a deal, is the green shade. It must have been the way I packed it on, but I got a little fallout from that. So I have a little bit of green shimmer here really up close. It's not a huge deal. Next time I'll just do my foundation second. I probably should have been smart and did it that way anyways because it was a new palette. I didn't know how it was going to perform. Other than that, I'm really happy. I feel like the pigment was there. I didn't have to work too hard to build it up or blend it out. It all just kind of flowed really easy. Do any of you have this palette? Are any of you thinking of getting this palette? Let's chat about it. What are your thoughts? I feel like for $30 for a nice rainbow palette or even just a pop of color palette to have, $30 is not bad. And you get huge pan sizes, so you can't really go wrong. If you enjoy these first impressions videos, please give me a thumbs up so I know to make more. They are some of my favorite videos to do. Be looking out for a lot of first impressions this month. I have a lot of new things to try out. I haven't ordered them yet, but I'm gonna have a lot of new things to try out. So thumbs up, helps me out a lot. Appreciate it. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. I have one.